Alright guys, just gonna run through with you what I've installed on my Razor XP1000. This is reduced road noise and vibration. So these are what the panels look like right here. Roughly 9.5 inches and by 16.5. It's got a self-adhesive built right into it. Just peel and stick. It's like so. Sticks really good. Haven't had a chance to, test to see whether or not it actually works. I assume it does. But this is what it looks like inside. I used about 16 of those panels. I'm still able to remove this cowling. Still able to, lock it all in. Just got to spend a little bit of a time and make sure that, everything's cut properly so that everything still fits after. Now this is a tape. It didn't come in this box at all. It's a tape that I had used. I use it for work here and there. Super durable, real sticky stuff. So that's the stuff we use. And hopefully at some point we'll be able to test it and see how good it is. All right, thanks guys.